Hey guys, Brad here, Mr. Roofer. On this particular house, it was built in the 50s, and they used the 1x6s. And we've experienced a lot of problems in the past with the gaps that you see right here, and gaps that you see right here. Cracks, unevenness, and stuff like that. So on this particular job, what we're doing is we are completely covering up the 1x6 is going down over it with OSB plywood. This is a finished side over here, completely finished with brand new decking already down, new felt, and we'll get the rest of it done here in a couple of hours. Hope this video has helped you out some, and for the reasoning on going around and going over 1x6.